Hello little friends, this is the shadow puppet show of the lion and the naughty mouse.
Once upon a time, there was a lion sleeping in the jungle. Then a little mouse came by. The mouse started to slide down the lion.
Whee! 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 Whee!
Oh, you little mouse, you disturbed my sleep.
Oh, Your Majesty, I'm so sorry. I won't do it again. I promise I won't do it again. Please leave me. Don't kill me. Please leave me, please. I promise I will help you someday.
Ha 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 ha. How can a little mouse like you save the king of the jungle?
Your Majesty, I'm sure that I will help you someday.
Okay, you can go. Ha 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 ha.
Run, run, run. 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 Run, run, run.
One day, the lion was roaming in the forest. I got trapped! Trapped! Who put this trap here? Who put this trap here? Help! Somebody help me! Help! Please help me! Please somebody help! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! You got trapped, lion! Ha 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 ha! You cannot escape now because you're trapped. You cannot run away. Now I need to go find some more animals for hunting. Help me! Somebody help me! Please help!
La 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 la.
Help! Please somebody help me!
Huh? Who is saying for help? I think I should go and check it out who is calling for help. Your Majesty, you got trapped?
Yes, hunter trapped me here.
Oh, don't worry, Your Majesty, I will save you. Let me cut this net with my sharp teeth.
Oh, thank you, little mouse. You broke the net and saved my life. Thank you.
Your Majesty, you're welcome.
Oh, sorry, little mouse. I underestimated your power, which is little but wise. You thought about breaking the net, with a sharp teeth, which is a wise thought. And you are also brave because you came to save me and you risked your life for it. Thank you again. Can we become friends now?
Yes, of course we can. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
So guys, did you see how the lion and the mouse became friends at last? So what we learned from this story is that never underestimate anyone just because of their size. Like how the lion underestimated the mouse because of his size, but the mouse ended up saving the lion's life. That is what we learned from this story. So, the learning points of today's story are: number 1, never underestimate anyone. Number 2, always show bravery. And number 3, always think wise.
I hope you guys enjoyed this puppet show.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye.